Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for AMP. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and jump right in. As you can see, we have an awesome chart to plot today. So let's start off with our monthly swing high, where we can see price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. Now we can go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, as this is the lowest point price has reached before reversing. Now let's hop to the weekly. So here on the weekly, what do we see? We can go ahead and fine tune our key level here. And we can go ahead and plot a key level here, where we see price come down, hit, and we see a reaction acting as support. And as price breaks through the level, we see multiple reactions to the same key level acting as resistance. Now, looking at more recent price action, what can we see? We see a clear level here, which we see a reaction as support, and as we look over here, we see it the same key level acting as resistance. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level over here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support, and we see these long wicks reacting around the same key level acting as resistance. So, one more key level we can notice is right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and support over here. And as you can see, the candle body is at this same key level right now. So, zooming out on this wonderful chart, these are all the key levels plotted on AMP. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.